Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and this is the tutorial number 102. And in this tutorial we will model this part with respect to the isometric drawing. And as you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and I will insert a body and on my origin plane, and I will select this right plane and click on the sketch and of the origin plane. And now we will start creating the sketch. So we will keep our origin here, and we will select the line tool and create a line, and we will draw the approximate profile. So first, this is a 60, so we will provide the 60 mm dimension to it, and there is a R18, so we will select a 3-point arc, select this and this, and add the tangent. Now select the line tool and this is the R18, and select the tangent, and this is of a 5 mm, give the vertical 5 mm, and now we will move it, and we will select a line tool, create a line, and this will be the 18 mm, and now from this point here is of the 12 mm, so we will select line tool and create a line and provide it of 12 mm, and select a 3-point arc, select this and add the tangent, and select radius and give the R29, and select a line tool, create a vertical line and add the tangency, and this line is of 44 mm. Now select a line tool, draw the horizontal line and give it a dimension of 29. Now select a line tool, and here is a conflict, so we will delete it, and now we will select a polyline tool and create this rough profile. So from here now we will select it and set it vertical, and select this dimension 48, and this will be of equal, and select this and click on the merge, And now select the line tool, create a vertical line, and now select a 3-point arc and create an arc. Now add the tangency, select this and add the tangency. Now select vertical dimension from this to this is of 46. Now select this and we will not add the parallelity. We will constrain this radius, which is of R9, and select this and add the vertical of 11 mm, and select this and edit it. So this is how our right profile will look like. Now we will close it and extrude to the distance of 44. Close it, select sketch, extrude it to the distance of 24, and click on here reverse and click on OK. Now press 0 for isometric and select this top face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, and now we will create a rectangle to remove the material at this portion. So for this we will project this edge and select on the top view and select rectangle and create a rectangle, and select this line and add a vertical dimension of 6 mm and horizontal dimension. We will not give horizontal dimension because from here, from this edge, we will project it. Go to the model and switch to the isometric, select this edge, and now from this point to this point, horizontal dimension from this point to this point, it is of 36. Now click on close. Now select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all, say OK. Now we will do the same cut on the other side. So we will select this top face and click on the sketch, press 0 for isometric, click on project these two, and select rectangle and select smart dimension and give it 6 mm, and we will project this edge and we will move it, switch to the top view, select horizontal dimension and give it 36. No, not 36 from here. We have the edge, so what we will do, we will select this and add the coincidence. 36 is actually from this edge, but we have already made a cut on one side, so we will add the collinear relation. Click on close, click on cut, and from here say it through all. So now we have made these two cuts. One is on the left hand side, other is on the right hand side, and now we will create this cut. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, click on project geometry, select this and we will switch to the front view, and here we will select a line and select this point and this point, and select this point and this point, and add the dimension of a 15 mm, and here select this and this, and add the coincidence, and now select the line tool, select this line and add the vertical dimension of 50 mm, and here we will select the line tool and make it horizontal. Delete, select line tool, now let's see what is the unconstrained. So select this, switch to the front, select this and this, and add the coincidence, now here we will project these 2 points and select this and this, and click on merge. Now we will delete the conflict of this 14 mm dimension. So this is the how our profile be like this, because if we see here, this is the 5 mm dimension here, and we are removing the material completely here. So now we will come out of the sketch, click on the cut, and we will give the value of a 40 mm, click on OK. Now we will create a cut on the other side. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, so switch to the front, and click on edges, and select a line tool, and create a line, and here we will also project this edge, and this edge, and select a line tool, and make it coincidence and make it vertical. Now let's give it a approximate dimension of a 50 mm. Technique of giving dimension is that you get the symbol here. This means that you have to select the horizontal dimension, and from this to this is of 15 mm. Now click on close, and here we will click on extrude cut, say reverse, and select up to face, click on OK. Now select this pocket 3 and refine set is true, select this edge and this edge, so refine is true, and now press 0 for the isometry. So do not bother about this line because it is a complete a solid. Now we will select this top face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, and at the top we will create a rectangle, and now we will rotate our model, select this dimension and provide the dimension of a 24, and select a vertical and give it a 12, select this and this and this 6 mm, and select a horizontal dimension, and this is of a 6 mm. Click on OK, click on extrude cut, and from here say it true all, say OK. Now we will create this hole. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select circle, create a circle, and select diameter and provide the 10 mm of the dia, and click on cut, and from here say it true all, say OK. Now we will create this cut. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and here we will create a circle, and we will click on the project geometry and select a rectangle tool and create a rectangle, delete this and click on the trim, and now we will give the dimension. So we will click on the project geometry and give the 14.5, and vertical it is of 24, and this diameter of is of 14 mm. Select this and give the 14 mm, and select a horizontal dimension which is of 2 mm. Now we will move it and select horizontal dimension from this to this is of 1 mm. So our sketch is fully constrained. I move the dimension so that you can clearly see it. Now we will come out of the sketch, select the sketch and click on extrude cut, and from here say true all. Now here is a hole which we will make. Select the face, click on the sketch, switch to isometric, and first thing which we will do is project this horizontal and vertical edge and click on the circle, and this is of a diameter 6. Select it and give it a dia of a 6 mm. Select this and this, go to the horizontal dimension of 6, make it normal, (6 mm). Click on close, click on cut, and from here say it true all, say OK. So you can see that we have successfully made this model. Now we will give the approximate color as per our part. So select the last feature, go to the appearances, go here on shape color, and in a shape color I will match it. So click on OK. So you can see that we have successfully made this model, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed it, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Link is given in a video description. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.